Hey guys, this is Andrew, ThirdCoastRC in Houston. We're here today and we're going to talk to you about something different today. We're going to talk to you about this car. This is a IROC, an 80s IROC-Z body on what was a drift car, but it's an 8th scale sedan car. We've taken the drift tires off there and we put the regular wheels on here. It is a XC Mad Drift, and we can see in here that we've got it all up and running here. It's actually turned on right now. This is a real nice car. It comes with all aluminum shocks. We bought these wheels separately because it comes with the harder tires, the drift wheels that we didn't want to use on this vehicle. Big foam bumper on the front that we had to trim to get this body to fit on there. That's why the serrations are on there. Runs on a pair of 2S LiPos, so it's 14.4 volts total, and it is 14.8 volts, and it runs real good. We're going to show it to you now. This is a custom body that we did for an owner of a yellow IROC-Z. These bodies are really hard to find, but we managed to find one. They're not cheap. This is good quality 2mm Lexan on here, and we painted the body to match the real IROC, and you'll see the pictures of that on the thumbnail for this video. And we're going to show you how this runs. This is going to be absolutely cool when that vehicle goes to Cars and Coffee and things like that. With this on the hood or next to the vehicle, it's going to look awesome, and then you can drive this around at the event. It's going to be really cool. So we'll take it for a little spin and see how this thing handles. Looks real good when it's moving. So here we go. So the body fits really well. Looks awesome coming across the parking lot there. We'll take it down the full length of the parking lot here. We'll bring it back at full speed. You hear the tires scrabbling for grip there. The body's not rubbing, anything like that. Trying to avoid that water going down the parking lot. Come back up here. There she goes around. Handles real nice. Get the power on. Man, that IROC looks awesome, the IROC body. Go around the brake there. It's just like the real thing. We'll get it out with the real thing one of these days. Yeah, if I go too fast into that corner, she's just breaking loose on me, but she don't try and roll over. I'm going to have to slow down a little bit for the corners. There she goes. Nice, nice, nice. That's cool. And it looks amazing. down, it's just like the real thing. Alright guys, so that's just a quick video of that car. We really like this car. You can get these, we can put the drift tyres back on it too and go drifting in the IROC or any other body you'd like to get. And you know, but they're quite difficult to find bodies that fit these 8th scale sedans. But it looks great, it runs great, and we're really pleased with the end result, and I know the customer is too. So let's see you next time, and subscribe to our YouTube channel and check us out on Facebook and on Instagram, ThirdCoastRC. Thank you. See ya.